Hi from Deb Bossert Artworks, introducing Into the Cloud, a acrylic nature landscape painting by Deb. This lovely nature-inspired landscape painting is titled Into the Cloud, and it is a size 8x8. This unique art depicts a wonderful summer scene with a big, bold, beautiful cloud in the background, and a forest of trees and a meadow of green grasses in the foreground. This painting is a mixed media painting and was painted using acrylic paints as well as various texture mediums. The painting is signed and titled by the artist on the back of the painting. If you'd like to see more of Deb's beautiful artwork, visit our art gallery at Deb Bossert Artworks.